friends. It's Mary. Let's have fun together and count cute penguins.
One little penguin on the ice so blue, waddling slowly with nothing to do. He looks all around and says hello, a happy little penguin in the snow.
Meet Peter the penguin. He is happy. Look, number one. One penguin, just one. Say it out loud. One penguin.
Two little penguins sliding on the ice, slipping and giggling. Oh, that's nice. They hold flippers and spin around. Two happy penguins on the ground.
Let's meet Peter's friend Tony. Now we see two penguins. Look, this is the number two. Oh, let's count together. 1, 2, 2 penguins. Great job. Let's keep watching.
Three little penguins by the chilly sea, splashing and swimming so happily. They dive down low and pop up. Whee! Three playful penguins. 1, 2, 3.
Look, here comes another friend. This is Lily. Now Peter, Tony, and Lily are together. 3 friends. This is the beautiful number 3. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 penguins.
4 little penguins dancing in a line, wiggling and waddling, feeling fine. They flap their wings and tap the floor. Count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, look over there. Who is coming? It's Zoe. Hello, Zoe. Now there are 4 penguins playing together. Number 4. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 penguins. Yay, great counting.
5 little penguins having lots of fun, playing together in the cold bright sun. They clap, they cheer and shout high five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 penguins having fun.
Let's meet Sean. Look, number 5.
Let's count them all again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little penguins having fun. Clap your hands and count once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let's explore more. See you soon, my friends.